Looking for ways to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing? You're in the right place. Watch this video for the top 3 ways that you can monetize your Pinterest account in a single afternoon. And if you're new here, be sure to stick around all the way till the end of the video and I'll share with you how you can make $150 per sale as an affiliate of the top selling Pinterest course on the internet. Stick around. So you heard you can make an affiliate income using Pinterest, but you're not quite sure exactly what to do. You're about to find out, so grab a notebook. Over the last decade, I worked in corporate and agency marketing, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs start and grow their online business. And now it's your turn. Number 1, post a direct affiliate link, of course. Creating an affiliate link on Pinterest is just about as easy as creating a pin. So simply create the pin and drag over your image. Mine is already ready to go. This is my image that I'm going to use as an affiliate pin. Make sure the title of your pin matches the text overlay that's on your pin. Create your own online quiz, which is something that people might be searching for. So I've previously done some keyword research to find out. And then I'm going to also make sure that my description also indicates online business and creating your own quiz, because those are words that I believe my audience would be searching for, and then they would find this pin. I'm also going to include some hashtags that I think are particularly relevant. Now, this is where you're going to post your affiliate link. Right where the destination link is, you can type in your affiliate link. Now, make sure you're not using link cloaking software because Pinterest considers that spam. So this needs to be your direct affiliate link. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this pin to a board that my audience would find relevant. So I'm going to choose email marketing because opt-ins and freebies and lead magnets are related to email marketing. The next thing I'm going to do, and perhaps one of the most important, is schedule this pin to some of my relevant group boards inside Tailwind. To learn more about exactly how this process works, be sure to sign up for the full Affiliate Marketing on Pinterest webinar. It's free, and you can find a link in the comments below. Now, there are some pros and cons to this method. The pros are if you have a great looking pin with a great design, a great color scheme, a great call to action, a good headline, and well-researched Pinterest SEO, then you're going to get a lot of clicks and your pin will be a home run. However, there are 2 cons to posting a direct affiliate link. Number 1, clicks rarely turn into revenue if the customer doesn't know, like, and trust you. And number 2, if it's just a direct affiliate link, you have no way to market to that customer so that they can buy from you again. The other thing is, you actually need to have an audience, because if you're only posting affiliate links on Pinterest and your audience knows that, they're not going to engage with them. So you've got to actually use Pinterest for what Pinterest is, a content curation platform. Number 2, create a bridge page. In order for your audience to actually click through, you want to give them a compelling reason to do so. And what better way to do that than with a bridge page? Have you ever done a bridge page before? Comment below and let me know what was more successful, posting the direct affiliate link or posting a link from a bridge page. What exactly is a bridge page? Let's take a look over my shoulder and find out. The bridge page is a technique that most successful affiliate marketers use to pre-sell a product or a service that they believe is a good fit for their audience. In other words, you'll create a sales page that you can then insert your affiliate link into. But that's not all. You can actually copy this exact sales page with just the click of a button. This tactic also works particularly well if you're running solo ads or Facebook ads or Google ads, because obviously, you can't post a direct affiliate link on those platforms, but what you can do is link to a page of your own and then add your affiliate link on the Buy Now button. This can go directly to the checkout page if your pre-sale page is super comprehensive, or it can go to the owner's product sales page or even a free webinar. In fact, If you would like to become an affiliate of mine, you can use this same technique by publishing pins directly to your own bridge page and then link to your affiliate link inside the buy button. So this is an example of my sales page. Now imagine that the link inside here is your affiliate link. In fact, you don't even have to create this page. You can simply copy it from me and put your affiliate link in, and then create pins and send them directly to your own page. If you want to know exactly how this works step by step, sign up for the free webinar where I go into much more depth about exactly how to accomplish this. And finally, the third way to make money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest is to post a link directly to a YouTube video where you do a review of one product versus another product. Those two comparison products should then have affiliate links inside the comments of your YouTube video. If you would like even more detailed information about exactly how to implement these three strategies and more step by step, sign up for my free 1 hour long webinar where I dive really deep into the strategies of using Pinterest for affiliate marketing. You'll find a link in the comments below. And you will also find a link to where you can sign up as an affiliate of my Pinterest training course. Inside the course, you'll find over 3 hours of exclusive video content where you learn step by step how to use Pinterest to grow your online business. Thanks for watching. See you next time.